It's a damn Dodge. 344 speed Billboard car, folks. Look at that. Look at that with the fish gills down at the bottom. That is something else right there. Listen to this bad boy. Is it a 6-pack or just a four barrel? Okay. 4-speed pistol grip. Shaker hood. Look at it shaking too. She's dancing. Woo, my God. Get that old buzzer. Now, he just bought this car, so it's not for sale. So it's got the clock and the tack right there. Hooker headers. Oh man, this thing here is just pure evil. Does have electronic ignition update on it. It didn't come that way. 71. Oil filter relocation.